The Tech Crawl is an event that helps middle and high school students discover the amazing world of technology careers. Students had the chance to dive into different tech topics through small group activities, all while getting to interact with real professionals in the field. The ICTV crew was there to let students try out some cool gear, and we even set up a fun mock studio where students could practice their interview skills.
Why did you come to the Tech Crawl today? What was really interesting for you?
Well, I'm just interested in tech in general, so decided to come along. I play a lot of video games, so I got interested in the process of making them.
Do you think you have a future career in tech, or is this more going to be a hobby for you continuing into the future?
I'm planning to make it my career.
Can I ask what field specifically you're interested in going into?
Probably just software development or more specifically, hopefully, video game development.
Tuesday's Tech Crawl took place at the Grand Rapids Tech Hub, a cool spot in the former Southwest School. It's a great place where you can enjoy free access to all kinds of state-of-the-art equipment. If you want to check it out, the Tech Hub is open after school on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays from 3 to 8 p.m. For more details, feel free to call them at 218-327-5730.